Hello everyone, my name is Rahul Joshi and welcome to my YouTube channel Selenium Easy with Rahul. In our previous sessions, we already learned about finding XPath using single attribute as well as multiple attribute. Please see the previous videos if not seen already. Also, today we are going to discuss about creating the XPath using text function. So it is going to be very interesting session. So let's start the session. So type 3 to create XPath is by using the text function. The text function is used in XPath whenever we have a text defined in an HTML tag and we want to identify that element via text. Let me tell you, it is one of the very crucial way to identify an object. Okay. So if I talk about the syntax, then it is double slash, then we have to write the tag name, then in the square brackets, we have to write text function equals to its text value. Okay. So if I give you an example here, so this is the element. Okay, so if I need to write the XPath for this particular element, then we have to write double slash. The tag name is A. In the square bracket, we have to write text function equals to and we already know, right? So this is the start tag, this is the end tag. So the text is, this is a link is a text. So in the single quotes, we have to write this is a link and we have to close the square bracket. So in this way, we are going to um, create an XPath using text function. So now let me give you an example or live example, right? How we are actually create the object via text function. So just check out. One of the crucial way to find the XPath is by using the text function. Okay, so let me first give you the syntax. So if you see, we have to start with a double slash, then tag name, then in the square brackets, we have to write text method, then equals to its value, right? So this is the syntax. Um, Let me give you an example. Let's suppose we have to find the forgotten password object, forgotten password, right? So yes. So as we know, right, anchor tag or a tag is the tag name, right? And we also had discussed earlier that is in between, or this is the start tag and this is the end tag. And whatever the content is between this start tag and end tag will be considered as a text. So in this case, we have forgotten password as a text. So let me copy this text value. Okay. So how to identify this object is like double slash. As we know that the tag name is A, then text function is equal to the value of this text and yes, right? So let me copy this and let's search for this object. So if you see, we are able to highlight this particular forgotten password link and it is a distinct and unique value. Okay, let me take one more example for this particular text that is written in the Facebook page, right? So let me first identify this element. So yes. So if you see here, the tag name is the H2. So here it gets completed and this is the end tag, this is the starting tag, and in between it is a text. So let me copy this text value. Okay. So what we need to write, double slash, the name of the tag is H2. Then we have to write the square brackets, then text method is equal to the value that is a long text. Let me close this bracket. So let's see like whether we are able to identify it correctly or not. The DOM tree, let me search this value. So if you see, it is correctly highlighted here. So that means we have identified the object correctly. So in this way, we are going to create the XPath via the text function.